In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Etsy to eBay using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Connecting Etsy to eBay allows you to sell the same products on both marketplaces while managing inventory and orders more efficiently. With the right integration tool, you can sync listings, update stock automatically, and manage everything from a single dashboard. Since Etsy and eBay do not have a built-in direct connection, you'll need a multi-channel integration tool. Now, if you want to connect Etsy to eBay, here's what to do. Start by choosing an Etsy eBay integration tool. Popular options include Ecommerce, Sellbrite, and Inkfrog. These tools allow you to sync products, manage orders, and update inventory automatically. Many of them offer free trials or basic plans to get started. Next, create an account on your chosen platform. Go to the tool's website, click on Sign Up, and create your account using your email, Google account, or business details. Once done, log in to the integration dashboard. Now, connect your Etsy shop. Inside the platform, click on Add Sales Channel and choose Etsy. Sign in to your Etsy seller account and click Allow Access. This step authorizes the tool to access your Etsy store. After that, connect your eBay account. Click on Add Channel, select eBay, and sign in to your eBay seller account. Then authorize the integration so the platform can manage your listings and orders. Once both accounts are connected, you'll be able to sync products, manage inventory, and handle orders across Etsy and eBay from one place. That's it. Connecting Etsy to eBay helps you expand your reach, save time, and manage your business more efficiently.